Did you know that exercising in a group can not only improve your physical health, but also your mental well-being? Let's delve into the often underrated power of group exercise. When you think of exercise, you might picture solitary activities, like a quiet morning jog or an intense gym session. But have you ever considered the benefits of breaking a sweat with others? Group exercise brings a sense of community to your workout routine, creating an environment of camaraderie and mutual support. You're not just lifting weights or running laps. You're part of a team, a collective energy that propels you forward, pushing you to achieve more than you might on your own. It's not just about the physical benefits either. Sure, you're burning calories and building muscle, but there's more to it than that. Group exercise can increase motivation and accountability. When you're part of a group, you're more likely to show up, to push harder, and to keep going. And let's not forget the fun factor. Exercising with others can make your workout more enjoyable, turning a chore into a social event. But the influence of group exercise extends beyond the physical, reaching into the realm of mental health. Participating in group exercise can decrease feelings of stress and anxiety, improve cognitive function, and promote better sleep. It's a holistic approach to wellness, combining the benefits of physical activity with the power of social interaction. Drawing from scientific research, we find compelling evidence supporting the mental health benefits of group exercise. One study from Illinois found that therapy sessions incorporating group exercise showed positive outcomes in reducing depressive symptoms. Similarly, endurance activities like running, often performed in groups, have been shown to lift mood and enhance cognitive function. But the power of group exercise isn't just rooted in modern science, it's echoed in ancient wisdom as well. As the biblical proverb reminds us, as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. In the context of group exercise, we can see this as the mutual motivation and improvement that comes from working out together. So, group exercise is not just a fun way to stay fit, it's also a powerful tool to boost your mental wellness. As a bonus, remember that group exercise isn't limited to traditional workout classes. It can be as simple as a walk in the park with friends or a game of soccer with your family. Here's an increasing amount of scientific research to support these claims. Let's dive into the world of science and unravel the mysteries of group exercise. Firstly, we have a study from the American Journal of Health Promotion. It found that individuals who engage in group exercise show significantly reduced stress levels compared to those who exercise alone. The camaraderie and support of a group setting can be a powerful stress buster. Next up, a study published in the Journal of the American Osteopathic Association revealed that those participating in group exercise experienced substantial improvements in 3 key areas: mental health, physical fitness, and emotional well-being. It turns out that exercising together can create a ripple effect of positivity. Then there's a study from the Journal of Clinical Psychology. This one showed that group exercise can enhance mood and decrease anxiety. The researchers explained that the social interaction and shared experience in a group setting can act as a buffer against stress and anxiety. Moving on, a study from the British Journal of Sports Medicine highlighted the cognitive benefits of group exercise. It found that group exercise participants showed improved memory, better attention span, and sharper cognitive abilities. Who knew a group workout could be a brain booster? Lastly, let's take a look at a study from the Journal of Behavioral Medicine. This one demonstrated that group exercise can lead to better sleep quality. The combination of physical activity and social interaction seems to work wonders for a good night's rest. Clearly the science is in. Group exercise is a game changer for our health. Whether it's reducing stress, improving mood, boosting cognitive abilities, or enhancing sleep quality, the power of group exercise is undeniable. And remember, these are just a few examples. There's a whole world of research out there waiting to be explored. So let's get moving together. Interestingly enough, the idea of group activities isn't new. In fact, it's even mentioned in the Bible. Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verses 9 to 10 paints a vivid picture of the importance of companionship. It reads, "Two are better than one because they have a good reward for their toil. For if they fall, one will lift up his fellow. But woe to him who is alone when he falls and has not another to lift him up." This scripture, while not directly referencing exercise, encapsulates the essence of group activities. The companionship, the support, the unity. It's about the power of togetherness, the strength in numbers, the shared experiences. It's a timeless wisdom that resonates even in our modern, high-tech world. When we apply this to group exercise, it becomes clear. The camaraderie found in a group workout can uplift us, motivate us, and push us to reach heights we might not have achieved alone. It's about more than just physical fitness, it's about emotional and social well-being too. So, whether you're religious or not, it's clear that the power of group activities has been recognized for millennia. To really illustrate the benefits of group exercise, let's share a personal story. Picture this. A middle-aged man named John, who was living a sedentary lifestyle filled with long hours at the office and late-night snacking. John's health was on a downward spiral, his energy levels were dwindling, and he was grappling with the onset of diabetes. More than that, he was isolated, lonely, and stuck in a rut. One day, John's friend invited him to a local group exercise class. John was hesitant at first, but he decided to give it a shot. It was a struggle in the beginning. He was out of breath within the first 10 minutes and his muscles ached like never before. But he stuck with it, encouraged by the camaraderie and positive energy in the class. Over the next few months, John began to notice a change. He was losing weight, his energy levels were improving, and his doctor was impressed with his progress in managing his diabetes. But the transformation was not just physical. John was more cheerful, more confident. He had made new friends in his exercise class, and they would often hang out after their workouts, sharing laughs and stories. The group exercise class provided John with more than just a workout. It gave him a sense of community, a support system that cheered him on every step of the way. It motivated him to push past his limits, to commit to his health, and to embrace a more active lifestyle. And it was this combination of physical exercise and social interaction that truly transformed John's life. So what's the takeaway from John's story? It's that group exercise is not just about getting fit, it's about connecting with others, about stepping out of your comfort zone, and about committing to your health and well-being. And as John's story beautifully illustrates, the effects of group exercise extend far beyond the gym. This story just goes to show how transformative group exercise can be. It's not just about losing weight or building muscle, it's about improving your overall quality of life, about making connections, and about embracing a healthier, happier you. So give group exercise a go. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it and at how much it can change your life, just like it did for John. Now that you know the benefits, you're probably wondering how to incorporate group exercise into your own life. Firstly, finding a group exercise class is as simple as a quick online search. Many fitness centers offer group classes ranging from high-energy spin classes to more tranquil yoga sessions. These classes are designed to cater to various fitness levels, so don't worry about being the newbie. When you're starting out, it's perfectly fine to take things at your own pace. Starting a workout group with friends is another great option. Not only does this provide a supportive environment, but it also adds a fun social element to your exercise routine. Choose activities that everyone enjoys, and remember, variety keeps things exciting. One day you could be hiking in the great outdoors, the next day you could be challenging each other to a friendly game of basketball. Joining a sports club is also a wonderful way to make group exercise a part of your life. This could be a local running club, a community soccer team, or even a dance group. The camaraderie that comes from working together towards a common goal is an excellent motivator. Plus, it's a fantastic way to meet new people and expand your social circle. But remember, consistency is key. Make a schedule and stick to it. This could be twice a week or every other day, whatever works best for you. The important thing is to make it a habit. As the saying goes, you don't have to get it perfect, you just have to get it started. Don't forget, everyone's fitness journey is unique. What works for one person may not necessarily work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The important thing is to find a group exercise activity that you enjoy, whether that's dancing to the rhythm of Zumba or feeling the burn in a CrossFit class. As a bonus, group exercise can also be a great way to stay accountable. When you know that others are counting on you to show up, you're less likely to skip a workout. So go ahead, join that Pilates class or sign up for that charity run. Your body and your new workout buddies will thank you. Remember, the most important thing is to find a group exercise activity that you enjoy. Before we wrap up, as a bonus, here's a little nugget of wisdom. Did you know that group exercise isn't just beneficial for your physical health, but also your mental well-being? A recent study showed that integrating physical activity into mental health treatments like group exercise significantly reduced depressive symptoms. It's like a 2-for-1 deal. You strengthen your body and mind at the same time. Now let's talk about running. It's a common misconception that running is a major cause of knee pain, or osteoarthritis. However, studies have shown that running can actually strengthen bones and muscles. So, next time you're in a group exercise session, don't shy away from those high-intensity runs. Your knees might just thank you for it. So, there you have it, folks. Group exercise is more than just a fun way to break a sweat. It's a powerful tool to improve your physical and mental health, and even strengthen your bones. It's high time we stopped underestimating the power of group exercise. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. The world of group exercise is vast and filled with opportunities to improve your health in ways you may not have considered before. Remember, every step towards a more active lifestyle is a step towards a healthier you. As you embark on your group exercise journey, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Did you try a new exercise? Did you meet new people? Did you find a new favorite workout routine? Share your story in the comments below. Your experiences might just inspire others to take the leap into group exercise. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. We're always excited to share new information, tips, and tricks to help you live a healthier lifestyle. Until next time, peace and health to you.